guys!
So, for today, may tatlong destination tayong pupuntahan dito sa Benguet.
Dalawa sa La Trinidad Benguet at isa naman sa Tuba.
Saan kaya ang first spot natin?
Drum roll, please!
So ngayon, paakit na po kami ngayon sa Mount Kalugong.
Tara guys, akyatin natin ang Mount Kalugong. Let's
go!
So guys, andito na po tayo sa entrance ng Mount Kalugong. So far, meron po kaming entrance sa 100 pesos.
Ayun guys, andito na po kami sa Mount Kalugong and ayan, yung kasama ko si Ate Nova, nagbabayad pa ng entrance fee na 100 pesos. So guys, meron din silang kainan dito na hindi na kayo magpo-problema kung saan kayo kakain. Ganun.
Actually guys, maganda rin to for recreational activities. Kagaya ng camping, bonfire, and also for family na gustong mag-stay overnight here.
So ayun, konting context guys. Mount Kalugong po noon, kilala po siya bilang Tayawan, which is place kung saan nagaganap ang tayaw, which means cultural dance para sa mga Ibaloy. And ayun, dito po siya ginaganap. Yun, sobrang akyat guys.
Pagod ng person.
Mga pagod.
Guys, alam nyo, pag pupunta kayo dito, my goodness, kailangan nyo mag-ingat kasi
Yes. Bato guys.
ang daming bato.
And we're now here sa Mount Kalugong. And tingnan niyo naman yung view guys. Sobrang ganda.
And also, first time kong punta dito and it's refreshing, you know?
So, ayun, overlooking view po siya ng La Trinidad. So, talagang makikita mo lahat ng mga bagay-bagay sa Trinidad.
Baka yung bahay nyo, andyan na rin.
Guys, best time na punta kayo dito para di masyadong mainit. Pwede rin sa hapon, mga 2 ganun, 3, or sa umaga. Ayan, mag sunrise watching or sunset watching, pwede rin yun. So, ayun guys. Andito kami sa labas ng Mount Kalugong since pupuntahan namin yung Valleywood, which is exit muna kami dito since iba rin yung may-ari. So, tara guys.
So, ayun guys, since magkalapit lang po yung Mount Kalugong tsaka Valleywood, parang ginab namin itong opportunity para pasyalan dito. Kaya tara guys, join us! Guys, saan ka pupunta?
To the moon. To the moon. So, dati po ang pangalan po na... Ang dating pangalan po nito is To the Moon. But now, pinalitan na nila ng Bollywood. Guys, yung entrance fee nila. FYI.
So guys, unfortunately, yung Bollywood po natin is nagagawa pa po.
So, to the moon.
I'm a lucky fella, and I just gotta tell her that I love her.
So, ayun guys, pababa na po kami. Grabe.
Nakakapagod.
Sakit sa paa guys.
Endlessly, because love runs where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
Mabuhay! Magandang araw po. Para sa ating pangalawang destination, andito po tayo sa Bell Church. Ang Bell Church po ay matatagpuan sa La Trinidad, Quezon. Ang Bell Church po ay tinaguriang Filipino-Chinese temple. Tara, pasukin natin ang Bell Church.
Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms.
So, ayun guys, nakapasok na po kami and may entrance fee po siyang babayaran. So, madami pong tao ngayon since weekend. Ayan.
Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today.
Alam niyo po ba, noong August 4, 1960, ang Bell Church ay tinatayo ni na... Konting trivia lang po. Alam niyo po ba, ang Bell Church na ito ay ginagamit upang magbigay paliwanag sa mahalagang impormasyon o mensahe.
O kaya, pwede rin itong ginagamit para magbigay ng warning sa paparating na mga emergencies gaya ng kalamidad o mga bagyo.
Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me.
So guys, andito po ako sa statue ng founder po, Kok Fan or Nangki.
No flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
Guys, ang daming steps.
Kakapagod guys.
Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the
So, ayun guys, andito na po kami sa pinaka-tuktok and dito rin po matatagpuan yung So, yun guys, pababa na po kami after 1,055.65. Grabe, nakakapagod. Mahahagard ka dito pero hindi naman nakakahagard yung view. So, bawing-bawi. Yan.
you went away, you went away, you went away. Sending, sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. I want love. Gotta have a lot of love. Gotta have a whole lot of love from you now. I want love.
So, ayun guys, umaambon and pababa kami ng aming third destination kasi hanggang dun na lang yung stopover ng jeep. So, yan. Umaambon guys. Wala kaming payong.
Gotta have a whole lot of love from you.
So, hello guys. So, nakarating na po kami sa aming destination which is Benta Museum. Tara sa loob. So, yun guys, nakuha na kami ng ticket and pababa na po kami.
Love. Gotta have a lot of love. Gotta have a whole lot of love.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Dito po sa museo na to, may mushroom po tayo. So, ayun guys, nakikita mo naman nag-offer po sila ng resto. Ayun, pwede kayong kumain dito. Just in case.
You now. I want love. Gotta have a lot of love.
So guys, andito na tayo sa labas. Tara, ito na namin kayo. Ang Benka Museum ay tinatag noong 2009 ng pambansang alagad ng sining na si Benedicto Reyes Cabrera o mas kilala bilang Benka. Ang museo ay naglalaman ng higit sa 5,000 likhang sining kabilang ang mga pintura, eskultura, guhit at litrato.